Ka lami ka jingkeno na u Presiden jongka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee u bedairu u MP Barim jongka Won Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u ba Winston H Pala ya ka WP baka kloy penpermana kerteng ya u kertong nak menta ka election siteng samoy po parliament nak menta ka Won Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka jingkeli ka bami hane kalong hato ka WP lane ka state elections committee jongka WP kala declare na em ya ka kerteng jong u kertong nak menta ka election siteng samoy sapo ka parliaments te ka jingkeli ka bami menta ka jingmi jong ka kerteng jong u doktor batske marbo banlong u kertong hakne ki election siteng samoy nak menta ka WP kalong lane ka dai tang ka jing ajingmut lane ka jing terwa jong elections committee jong ka voice of the people's party WP kadai tang ka jing ajingmut lane kadai tang ka jing pha kerteng ka jing terwa ya kerteng jong doktor baske marbo sapo ka state elections committee jong ka same voice of the people's party WP kumbalong haduk menta ngimpat yo kanu garai lane ngimpat yo kanu ga kubor ba na kaliang jong ka state elections committee jong ka same voice of the people's party WP kan declare lane kan pentikna ya utau kertong lane kan pentikna ka kerteng jong doktor batske marbo ubadai unong aktin jong ka same WP banlong u kertong ubapura nak benta ka election sitang samoy nak benta ka Won Shillong Parliamentary Constituency walam ngi pat ba babun ngila tip lane ngila suspect ba ka WP kan sapha bet kan sepenyang bet dau doktor baske marbo handrai kumbalong haduk menta ka state elections committee jong ka WP kampat ai kanu ke juba bahkan menjur na em ya ke kerteng jong doktor batske marbo